Hey, this is Quinn, your favorite plumber. Here today, we're gonna talk about how to repair the faucet seat in a hose bib, especially a frost-free hose bib. We're gonna make a custom tool to do this, and it's all for under 10 bucks. So let's get started. In a previous video, we showed you how to redo all the rubber gaskets and washers and packings and how to hopefully stop that from leaking. But if the drip's been ongoing and has eroded some of the brass in the seat, this video is how to make a custom tool to clean up and re-polish that seat to get that nice seal to prevent the drips from happening. Because they don't make a reseating tool for frost-free hose bibs that I know of, leave me a comment if you've found one, I've had to create my own. The first thing you're gonna need, we're gonna need the faucet seat repair tool or faucet seat dresser. Make sure it has this threaded rod part. You can pick these up at any home improvement stores. I think Lowe's has them for like $6. They range between 6 and 10 bucks, and it's for repairing faucets. We're gonna modify it because obviously this faucet is not gonna be able to fit all the way down and repair our seat. So I took about 20 inches of 3/8 all thread rod. You can buy this anywhere. Put it in a vise and bent it for a nice little handle. We're gonna take the cutter and remove it, unthread it from the tool that came in our pack. The standard cutter is the one I use most. This larger one works on older hose bibs, but I'd start with a standard one. So as I said, we'll use this one, unthread it, thread it on to our 3/8 rod, and boom, we have our custom tool. So you're gonna wanna remove the rod assembly. Follow our other video we did on how to remove the rod assembly. Take a flashlight and shine it down. You're looking at the very bottom where the seat is. It's gonna be a brass seat, and if you see any dark spots, that's probably where that issue is that we need to redress. These teeth are gonna grind down the soft brass seat to allow a smooth, flat surface free of obstacles for that rubber seat to sit against it. So I have my custom tool. Now it's long enough to come in contact with that seat. We're gonna insert it in until you can feel it sit nice and flat against that seat. You're gonna wanna keep this as level as possible. And you don't need to apply too much pressure, and we're just working that seat. Remove it. Shine your light back down and see if that brass is polished and sparkly. And if it's not, and you still see a dark spot, gently give it another try. Then take your flashlight, look back down, and see if that's shiny and all cleaned up. And if it is, you're ready to go. And remember, this is soft brass, so you don't wanna overdo it. Take your time, because if you go too far, you'll ruin the seat and have to replace it. In summary, we were able to take our faucet seat dresser kit from the home store, modify it, add it to our 3/8 all thread rod to create an awesome custom tool for under 10 bucks that can help reseat frost-free hose bibs. And as always, like us, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll try to get them all answered. And thanks for watching, guys.